Now let us go on to this video where I'll tell you the basic anatomy here. You can make out this on the right side is the right atrium, this is the left atrium, this is the right ventricle, and this is the left ventricle. Now let us see. We can make out roughly that the two atria are nearly of the same size, and the right ventricle has an internal diameter which is also roughly the same as the two atria, and the biggest of all the chambers is the left ventricle. Let us see to the shape of the left ventricle. You can see it is bullet shaped. You can see these two walls are parallel and gradually they are converging. Now what will happen if they go like this? They diverge and then join. That will give a more globular shape to the left ventricle, and that happens when there is aneurysmal dilatation or when there is any dyskinesia also. Now let us see to the connections. Now I know that this is the right atrium and this is the left atrium. Now next thing which I have to see is whether the right atrium is connected to the right ventricle or not. Now let us see here. Just see this leaflet which is on the septum, this leaflet, and compare it to the leaflet of the mitral wall in the corresponding part here, and we can make out that this leaflet is closer to the apex compared to this, and that identifies the right ventricle very easily. Of course you can see a moderator band here, that is another part of the right ventricle. So if we find that the right ventricle has moved from this position to this position, then this leaflet will also move to this position and the moderator band will also move to this position. So right now I can say that, of course, being situs solitus, so there is no situs inversus, so I'll say that, oh, this on the right side is the right and this is the left. Now the question comes whether this is the right ventricle or not. Yes, since it is a normal heart, so I can say, of course, based on the size also I can say that, okay, the size and the shape triangular also identifies the right ventricle, but that may be deceptive at times. So the most important thing is that this leaflet, the septal leaflet of the tricuspid wall, is closer to the apex, and if you can see the moderator band as well, that is fine.